Obermeyer's iGrow system is designed to grow with your kids as they do. By releasing a couple stitches in the sleeve and the pant leg, you can extend the garment by an extra season or two. Here's how it works. First, turn the sleeve or pant leg inside out and locate the iGrow stitching. You'll see the iGrow thread holding the extra fabric in place. Using a small pair of scissors or seam ripper, carefully cut the iGrow thread, making sure not to cut the garment itself. Once the stitching is released, gently pull the fabric out to reveal the additional length. Smooth everything out and you're done. With Obermeyer iGrow, your kid's favorite gear gets room to grow with them, giving them more time on the mountain to have fun.